Good morning, this is John. Today we're going to explore the Iya Valley, which is in Tokushima Prefecture, Shikoku Island. This area is famous for its deep valleys, rivers, and it has some incredible vine bridges. So we're going to go across one and maybe explore the valley a bit. Nice and rainy today, so perfect weather for it really. Anyway, I'll bring you back later. Hello, Ninja. Scary. Ooh. So this is the Chiiori house. It was famously restored by I think Alex Kerr. I don't have a reservation, but it's like a fascinating building, and this is where it's located. Incredible views. Incredible views, look at the water down there. So we're about to enter the so-called scarecrow village, Kakashi in Japanese. So I guess this used to be a fairly well-populated village, and obviously people left, or got older and died, and just left for whatever reasons. It's like a ghost town. Here we go. Yeah. Oh, it's actually real people here. Okay, that's interesting. Real people. Might as well have a little look around. So we're in Nagoro village, which is famous for having lots of scarecrows everywhere. I think each scarecrow represents one of the people who used to live here. And that just freaked me out, because I thought that's a real person, but actually that is a scarecrow. That is so convincing, isn't it? I think they're just trying to make it like a kind of museum, outdoor museum. You can see, what the villagers used to do, what kind of jobs they do, or how bustling maybe the village was. But yeah, anyway, lots of scarecrows. Kind of creepy or cute, however you want to look at it, but to me it's creepy. People have written comments, some kind of essentially guest book, I think. Wow, some couple came from here in London, Richmond. Wow. Well, that's interesting. Canada, Denmark, Israel, Korea. Wow, this place I guess has got a bunch of international visitors. Tourists. So this is going to be our last place we visit. Another vine suspension bridge. So let's see what this one's like. Apparently there's nobody here, which would be quite nice. Privacy. Anyway, I'll bring you back to the bridge. So there's actually two. I didn't know this. A male bridge, Obashi, and a female bridge, Mebashi. Just driving back to Kagawa now. This is the bridge over the Yoshino River. Still got about another hour to go. It's shitty weather, but at least I got to enjoy the things, to enjoy the scenery while the weather wasn't too bad. So yeah. So when people ask what the rainy season is like, this is a good example. There we go. So wet. Just pouring down. Yep. Insane weather. Full on rain, full on rainy season. Wouldn't be surprised if this lasts for days. Right, I'm back. That was a hell of a long ride and rain as well. So hope you enjoyed the vid and see you in the next one.